How to earn money by digital marketing. These are the most popular methods to make money with digital marketing. Make money as a content writer. Become an SEO expert and sell SEO services. Earn money with affiliate marketing. Sell consulting services to companies. Earn money by selling ads. Work as a social media manager. Create and sell your own digital products. Become a YouTube advertising partner. Become an e-commerce specialist. Manage PPC campaigns for other companies. Get a digital marketing job. Start your own digital marketing agency. Blogging. Start up earning 10 to 50K per month. Depends on skill and experience. Earn from worldwide. No area limit, no age limit. You should have some skills such as good analytical skills, keyword research skills, writing skills, a good grasp of grammar, research skills, basic SEO skills, good typing speed. More information please contact 93162222260. Visit website https://eonlineseotraining.com.